Zoho Sites Website Builder Complete Tutorial for Beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website with Zoho.com. It may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you can see Zoho website homepage. You need to sign in or create your own account in Zoho.com. Then, when you are done, you will be redirected to this page, Zoho Sites, and now you need to name your website. So basically, use the name of your business or something, whatever. Uh, for this video, just for an example, I'm gonna name it an example and move forward. Pick your website's category. So what's your website about? Kinda general, business, portfolio, restaurant, education, sports, event. You have a plenty of choice here. uh, Even travel, finance, hospital, logistics, law. I'm gonna choose law because I just like law, science, and now I need to choose a template. Pick a template you love. Try a new look at any time without losing content. So basically it means that you can change your template later, and you will not lose your progress of making your website. So for low website, I think this one is the best, kinda very professional and like I don't know, mean. So customize it. Now you need to pick a set of colors if you want to change colors, but I'm gonna stay with this one because brown, black, white, so those colors are really nice choice for using them in the low website. So pick a set of fonts. Welcome, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So I think we need to choose this one. Best choice for low website. Once again, pick a header and banner style, header style and banner style. Uh, I'm gonna choose this one, and okay, this one is nice. Finish. Site tight. Your website will be ready in a moment. So very fast. You just put a bit of settings, bit of mind work, and now your website is gonna to appear. It's gonna appear. Um, Example, this is our website. So you can see statistics here, analytics, your traffic, visits, and like unique visitors. So kinda here you can have pages. You can work with pages of your website, blog page. You can create your blog and put it into your website. Kind of basic, forms, the same about forms, uh, and the dashboard, of course. So let's work with this website. Let's edit it, let's customize it. And anyway, guys, don't worry. You can customize your website however you want, and you will get your result. You will get the website, the exact website you want, if you will customize it, if you will edit it. So it's really easy to get the best website for you without knowledge about programming languages. Like, you can just use your browser, use your internet, use your mouse and keyboard, and get your website really easy. So what we have now, we have sections, we have header here. We chose the header, the design of header layout, and then we have those sections, some stuff about our service, maybe even testimonials here. So for example, if you want to work with text, so you want to change this heading, so you just select text, delete it, and you can write whatever you want. For example, let's write my name is Vlad, and I'm the best lawyer, like this. And of course you can change font, for example, or font size, or some stuff like italic, bold, what is this, underscore, whatever. You can change the placement of this text. You can see, just put this, click this button, and you can put it here, I don't know. So you can change the placement like you want. You can add the element like this. You can see this button, and in every section you will get this button, add element. And you can add heading, paragraph, so basically text, images, photo album, image with text, icons, buttons, content, containers, whatever you want. So really big options here. Really nice opportunity to make your own website, by the way. So also you can have visual editors, so and basically you can work with animations and like design basically, so it doesn't really matter in this video. Also you can delete the whole section. For example, you don't want to have testimonials on your website, and you can delete this section like this, and you can delete this form section too, and change columns, change background. You can have background image or just change background colors, uh, layouts, yes, this one, text again. You can work with button, click on this button, and you can change the placement, change the text, so you have button label, book an appointment. You can write, for example, I don't know, hire me please. Once again, size, type, style, outline, link. Of course you can change link. You can link your button to, I don't know, Wikipedia, whatever, YouTube, your social links, your another website, my YouTube channel, whatever you want. Background, all the stuff. You can edit page info here, so page name, page URL, so basically domain, keywords, page title, description, uh, many stuff here. You can see, even you can work with code if you can do it, if you are smart guy. So also you can add some stuff, you can add section, you can add element, you can add app, form, page, blog post, whatever. So basically you add sections, I guess, because this is kind of important to make the section that you can get like with a template. So you can add sections, heading, images, icons, newsletters, boxes, tab, accordion, uh, Google Maps even. So really big options, really big amount of variants here. And when you're done editing your website, you can click this button, publish, and you'll get your website live so anyone can see it. So I think you got how to edit this website, because it's really easy. The entire interface of the site is very clear to any user. So guys, I hope you liked my video. Thank you guys for watching anyway, and see you soon. Goodbye.